you're able to access this website. I'm going to show you how to use this website to create test paper. Now if you're not able to see this, Key Stage 3, GCSE and all, please press all subject and you will be able to see this. Make sure you're on the current and not on the archive. Now, for example, if you want to create a paper, Key Stage 3 Maths, you need to click the first option there. When you click that, you will come to this page here. Once you come into this page, you can see there are questions on your left side. At the bottom, you can see new document 1. Now, right at top left, you can see a search button. When you press the search button, you can see all subjects here. So all topics. So when you click the topics, you can see the breakdown of the topic. So for example, if you want to do a question, or you're looking for a question on place value, you just press place value. And then you can close this by clicking on the X here. So once you've done that, you can see all the topics on the questions will become place value questions. Then you can move around, look at different questions. As you press, the question changes. Now, if you would like to see the answer to this, you can click the marking scheme and it will give you the answers to the question. If you want to make the questions bigger, then you can press at the content window right on the right. You can see the expand button. When you expand, and you can make it shrink. Okay, now you can choose the questions that you want to make the paper. So for example, if I want to pick this question, I'm just going to hold that, and when I click that, it will move to the right at the bottom. Now let's say I want to choose another question, so I can press that and it comes down. If I want to pick another question, and when I press that, it comes down. Okay, so what happens now, at the new document 1 on the left bottom corner, you can see the number of marks and the time for the paper. Now usually I would give, if the exam is an hour and if the time is 60 minutes, I would make a paper which is less than that, about 50 minutes. So giving an extra 10 or 15 minutes for the kids to do the paper. But this is up to the teachers to decide. Okay, so now if you want to export or whatever question they've chosen, you want to make it a Word document or PDF, you can click the arrow button sign at the new document 1 and it will expand to this, and you can press PDF if you want in PDF. You can click for Word document if you want Word document, and it will give you an option to choose whether you want questions, you just want the marking scheme, or you want both. Also gives you an option to close the answer lines, or you want the lines to be there. Then you click for export Word. When you click that, it will ask whether you want to download. You click download and it should be downloaded into your download file here. Okay, and then when you click that, you would be able to see the question that you have chosen, and you can see the answer scheme at the bottom. If you want it separate, the question or marking scheme, then earlier there's an option for you to choose to just have the question alone. Okay, and it's the same process.